Hi everyone, welcome to my session on Jenkins plugin. Today we are going to learn on what is Jenkins plugin and the Jenkins plugin for SCM, build and test, analyzer and for teams. Finally installing Jenkins plugin and then the summary. Now coming to what is Jenkins plugin. See, it enhances the feature of the Jenkins. There are hundreds of plugins. Even we can write our own Jenkins plugin, and also we can install, update, uninstall the Jenkins plugin. Now to see what all are there for the SCM, we just need to log into Jenkins, click on manage plugins, manage Jenkins and manage plugins, and then see, SCM are of different types such as Git and Perforce and SVN. So first let's type Git here. See, all these are for Git. Just press Git. So this is one. For GitHub you have one more. GitHub also it is the same. You need to go to available. These are the updates. So go to available tab. Git. So these are all the plugins available. This is available for GitHub, and for Perforce just type P4. So these are the plugins available for Perforce SCM. SVN. So these are the plugins available for SVN. So you can just click on this and just check this and say install without restart or download now and install after restart. So any option you can go ahead. So this is for SCM. Now for build and test, you need to go to the URL. So here you have to just type build and test. You will get all the plugins related to build and test. See, all these are the plugins related to build and test. Next is for analyzer. Analyzer same. Click on manage Jenkins, manage plugin, available tab, analyzer. So these are all the plugins related to analyzer. You can just install any one of them. Now the last is how to install the Jenkins plugin. So for this you need to click on manage plugin, click on the manage Jenkins, manage plugin, available tab, click on the desired plugin. So click on the desired plugin and click on install without restart. And also there is another option saying advanced. So here you can upload a plugin. As I've shown you, for build and test you need to log into this URL and download the plugin. Here, download the plugin. Then the plugin would come in HPI format. So that HPI format you need to just choose here and then say upload, and then it will get uploaded. So thank you guys for watching this session. The next session would probably be on Jenkins distributed builds, so we'll please have a look at it also. Today, coming to today's summary, we learned about what is Jenkins plugin and plugins for various features like SCM, analyzer, build and test, and teams. Yeah, and for teams Teams, just click on Office, Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. So here Office 365 connector available. So here we can simply say Office 365 connector. So this you can download. Okay, thank you and have a good day, guys.